Level 6, Step 5. This is a new one for Level 6. It is usage and analysis. You're going to investigate different words and their meanings and how they work together. So you begin by writing the words jump and jumped and read them with your child. Remind your child that sometimes we use ed to indicate that an action has happened in the past, but there are also other ways to indicate a verb or action has happened in the past. You'll write the words read and read and explain that this word's kind of special because the sound for EA changes based on when you do the action. The word for this is verb tense. Your child doesn't need to memorize this, but you can introduce him to the concept. And you'll explain that this word is special because, you can write out the following sentences and read them with your child. Today I will read a book, and yesterday I read a book. You'll explain that EA often spells E in a word, then changes to when it changes to a past tense verb. You'll read the following sentences to your child, and you'll write out the verbs and point out the difference in spelling and pronunciation. Today I will leap across a puddle. Yesterday I leapt across a puddle. You'll write leap and leapt and point out how that EA changes its sound. Today I will deal with my messy room, and yesterday I dealt with my messy room. Again, you'll point out how the EA changes its sound. Your child might also notice that they both have a T at the end instead of an ED. You don't have to tell them that, but if they notice, you can agree, yes. And that's also why, in case you were curious, read and read have that sound because they are completing that same pattern. You'll often see in the usage and analysis section where we'll look at two words, homophones that have the same meaning but are spelled differently, like M-E-A-T, meat, and M-E-E-T, meat. This will further help your child to recognize the different spellings and know the correct spelling to use when they're doing their own writing. And that's step 5.